Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 51. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 4, 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 1 covering here and a 1 covering here, so this is our 1, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 4, but I don't see any other help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 4, but I don't see any other help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got the 2 here, so 4, 5. 2 here, 5 here, so this is our 4. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. Got 2 here, 4 here, that makes this our 9. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 7, 1 here, so 9, 1. For this column now, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 2 here, so 6, 2. That 7 makes us our 4, 7, 4, 7. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. And to finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.